Once you've navigated to your Faculty Mentor dashboard, the last tab that we'll be going over is the Active Program tab. If you select this tab and have no other filters applied, you'll see each of the programs that you will oversee your students by major and how many students are in that load. Now, this particular load is active for the current term, so if students are not enrolled in this term, they may be included in this top number here. You'll notice that this total number does not match the total number on the first summary page because this particular filter will take into account the additional filter we've added of the contributing program credits being at least 15, whereas this tab does not apply that filter. It will show everyone who is enrolled in the current term in this particular program. So if you want to filter it down for marketing purposes or to be sending out messages to introduce yourself as the faculty mentor, whether they're in your advising load currently or not, you can use this particular page to target certain programs. So let's say that this particular faculty mentor wanted to target the business administration program. Then they would click on this list of students, add to above criteria, and it would only show the business admin students, and you could grab those emails. Again, if it's more than 15 to 20, you can choose the line break tab and then just grab a few at a time to send the message out to. Now, when you have a particular program, you can also, once you've filtered it down, you can utilize certain dashboards that are already preloaded for you. So if you want to know some information, let's say distribution by gender, which this one's pretty good. It's about half and half, so there's no gender gaps there. There's another gender chart showing the same information, just in a different format. And you could do it by race here, which breaks down the distribution by race. And there's just several dashboards here or reports that you can show different information for. As always, there's the academic profile dashboard, which just gives you information about the student, their current GPA. That includes all classes. Credits here, that's not filtering by active programs, so that could be total as well. Their admission status here, and then when they began their program and their active major. So at this point, again, you can do some marketing if you want. If you found a gap in your program, then you could market to certain groups of people, which may give you, a better breakdown. So I'm going to exit out of this one. If for some reason you see a particular program that should not be there, that particular student probably changed their major recently, and the major you're seeing was the prior major. If you were to click on an individual student, so let's say you notice that this particular program should not be under your advising load, you could always look at one of those students individually by clicking on the ID. And the first page it goes to on the individual student, which you'll see is in a new window, is the General Info tab, and it will show you their current active major. And so that's how you can verify that they're going to be in your particular advising load. If for some reason that student, the active major is not correct and that student should not be in your advising load, please reach out to us and we'd be happy to look into the matter. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Nancy Luthi or Logan Maxwell, and we would be happy to help.